We can also change the personal settings for the entity and this employee, this user. If we click on the link settings above, it will open a new screen where we can manage and modify our personal settings. Starting from this tab, the General tab, where we can choose and select the language that we would like the interface to be. We can merge some inboxes of the email and the queues if we would like to merge the inbox of the employee and the company all together. We have another tab of the menus, how we would like to see the interface of the items in the menu. For this example, we have the information main menu with the news as the default screen that will be the first one after we will log into the system. We can change it. If we would like to start with the data tools, for example, with the parts catalog, we can decide that the default menu item will be this one. And you can see the default over here. You can change some items in the menu as the order. If you would like, for example, that the repair quote will be the first in the list, we can move it up by these arrows. There is an option to show the main menu or not to show it, like this. And another option if you would like to see also the captions or only a little icons. The Data Tools tab will set all the data properties for the catalog. For example, limiting the catalog makes. We can choose from the list of makes that we have in the catalog only several to be in our interface. Like that, I will have a catalog with the list of Audi and Opel. Enable catalog results without prices means that we will not want to connect between the prices themselves and the catalog numbers in the catalog, and we can choose to do that. Cross-reference level, how deep we would like the cross-reference to be. With no cross-reference, first and second levels of cross-reference, or all levels that we have in the system. The default price option, this will be the option or the policy how to choose the price automatically from the catalogs. We can choose to pick the lowest one that we have, or only the new parts, the original ones, or a selection that is done by the user. There is an option to make by tolerance. It means that it will search for the lowest price, but it will take some prices above. We can choose to display the labor information, to select automatically the labor, to display some kits information inside, and to print the estimate or our selection with prices by default or not. The last tab will be the rates. We can change the rates of the labor and the refinish in our system. This will be, of course, for our interface, for our use, personal use. These values comes from the server defaults. If we would like to change it, we will need to click on the checkbox. This will open this field and we can choose to change it in another value. The same will be for each and one of these values. All these parameters that are relevant to the calculation of the refinish rate can be changed by the user. At the end, we can always go and restore the system default by clicking on that button. If we click on this button, it will go back to the default that we had before.